don't know. I ain't made a test pass since the new tune. I got a new tune. It's supposed to be faster. It's supposed to be faster. Oh yeah, with this? Oh yeah, that'll be a good one. I'm betting with this. Should be able to whoop him. That's a good race though. I'm glad they doing it.
Stitches on the tower, on the spectator side.
Here come the grudge race, y'all.
On the tower side. Roll 3.
I done missed the burnout. Let me get my other phone while I'm back here. Look out. Hold on, they racing. This a grudge race. This Tom Gunner right here. We gonna come back.
We got the Chevy on the spectator side. We got the Fox by the Mustang on the driver's side.
Fox by. Look out, look out. Hey! Golly. He ran around him. Oh, he happy. He steady revving down there. That was a good run around. Hey, look out, look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, miss. My YouTube channel. Tell your uncle, miss. Tell your
Hey, turn him off. Shut him off, Mike. Shut him off.
Hey, what's up, man? You
What's up with it?
You doing all right
How
today?
you doing, yes, sir? Yes, sir.
Hey, give me know your car, Kyle. So I can down you. You been doing all right?
All
right, thank you. You been doing all right?
Yes, sir. We letting everybody know, y'all. Hey, miss, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm having a good day. You on my YouTube channel?
Let me look.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look,
Trisha, we're on YouTube.
yeah, miss, I don't put your shout out in one time.
Jeremy Horn.
Okay.
He's not racing tonight, but he's here spectating and betting.
Hi, guys.
Okay, where you from, miss?
Roy
We're going to
City.
find out who won that race.
Roy City,
Oh,
Texas.
Roy City, okay. We got Roy City in the building. Oh, the lag
The
comes from
truck had the
Jaden wants to be on YouTube. Let's go ahead and put him on there.
my YouTube is Look Out Racing.
Look, Jay.
Yeah, we lag because I was on the Wi-Fi. So we off that Wi-Fi now, y'all. No more lag. Okay, we got them out of Roy City, Texas, y'all. Yeah, we live right here. Yeah, he just subscribed. Okay. We got Roy City, Texas in the building. What else, miss?
That's pretty much it, man.
How long you been here? You been here all night?
Since 6.
Since 6? Okay.
Yeah. It's our favorite place to
The
race.
truck
Okay.
wins.
It's our favorite place to race at, y'all. Truck won. They went on and won.
The truck
Hey.
wins. Like I said, they had stipulations on the race. It was a grudge stipulation that the truck had to
Look out, miss.
clear.
I want a picture too. You ready for me and you a picture?
I'm
But
ready.
y'all
Come on.
don't know what a clear is.
This is my
That's any
YouTube channel
part
right here.
of space.
Make sure
that
y'all
has
get
a
on
highlight.
there. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, put it in that toe. Yeah, right there. Oh, can you hold it?
Her Indian name is Dirty Foot.
Dirty foot. I don't foot so dirty, girl. We got dirty foot in the yeah. She been on the track. All right, y'all. We got dirty foot up in here,
Here's your
y'all.
drag bike action coming down.
We got dirty foot up in here. Right lane for the win. Right lane. out me some more cars. Hey, look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Look out, racing. Oh, you heard of it? What about you?
What?
You been on there, you heard of it? You want to put your shout out in? You need some Instagram followers?
No, I'm all right.
Oh, she all right, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Look out, racing. It's going down like James Brown. Already. Look out, y'all. What's up, bro? Look out, look out. Right lane for the win. Yeah, y'all. Hey, look out, look out. All the way at the top. What I'm gonna do? I think I want to switch over to 1080p, y'all. He used it where it's good out here. Hey, other side. That's Tyler. That's Tyler, man. Look out, hey. Look out, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Look out, y'all. We about to go off of here and turn back up on YouTube. Matter of fact, I want to try something too. I want to try something while I'm right here. I'm finna see. Look out, what's up with it, man? How you doing? Good, dog. Okay, he just pulled up. Hold up. I'm gonna check this resolution, y'all. I'm gonna do a